Hello there. So for today's lesson, I want to talk about perimeter. Now, last week we focused on area, and we're going to touch on that again this week, but I wanted to review perimeter with you because this is probably something you might have learned already, maybe in third grade. If you can do area and you did it last week with no problems, you can certainly do perimeter because it's, I think, a lot more easier. So basically, the formula is you're adding the length plus the length plus the width plus the width. Now, we're working with squares and rectangles. Just turn this light on here. There we go. We're going to be working with squares and rectangles. So if I have a rectangle, it looks like this, and let's say this is measuring, I don't know, 3 centimeters, and this is 2 centimeters, okay? What do you know about rectangles? Well, you know that the opposite sides measure the same. So if this side, if the length is 3 centimeters, then you know the opposite one is 3 centimeters. And if the width on this side is 2 centimeters, you know that the opposite side is also 2 centimeters. And now all you got to do is add. You're going to add each number up. So the way I like to do it is I just add the lengths. I do 3 plus 3, which is 6. And then I do 2 plus 2, which is 4. And you add them up, and your answer would be 10 centimeters. And that's my cat Zoe meowing. Okay, so that is how you can do it. You could also, if you really wanted to, you could take each number and multiply it by 2 and then add your answers. So for example, if I did it that way, I would do 3 times 2, which equals 6, and 2 times 2, which equals 4, and you add them up and you get 10. So you get the same answer, as you can see, but I just did it a different way. So it's whatever you want to do. A lot of you are better at adding than multiplying. That's fine. Just add up all the sides that you see, okay? Now I'm going to quickly just erase that. And let's show you another example. So now if we have a square, now what you know about squares is that squares, all 4 sides are the same. So if you're given a problem that says, let's say 6 yards, YDS stands for yards, okay? If it only gives you one measurement for a square, you know what the other sides are because all the sides are equal. They're all the same. So you know that this is 6, this is 6, and this is 6, okay? And all you have to do is add up all 4 sides. So I can count by 6s, so I'm going to do that. 6, 12, 18, 24. So my answer would be 24 yards, okay? Is this the same as doing 6 times 4 also here? Okay, equals 24 yards. All right, so really all you have to do is add. You can do multiplying for a shortcut, but all you have to do is add up the numbers on the side. Add up the numbers of the sides. Most of the assignments, most of the problems on your assignment that you're going to have will probably, I didn't mean to delete that, but basically you'll get a square and it will have the 2 numbers. It will have, let's say, 4 and 4 here. But you just know that all 4 sides are the same, okay? And then you add it up. And that's it. That's what you do. So this is what your assignment looks like for today, okay? You're going to type right into the blue boxes, okay? You should be able to type right in there, no problem. And it gives you a little reminder of what to do. But all you got to do is add it up. That's it. That's simple, okay? So take care. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.